Come test drive the 2022 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5. A hushed voice. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, backup camera, heads-up display, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.